Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Noom. Guys, today we are solving a problem which is based on a stack. So guys, this problem is asked in so many times in the competitive programming. So let's move to the question part. Here it is given one x push the element into stack. Second, delete the element present at the top of the stack. Third, print the more elements in the stack. Guys, these are three operation. We have to take these three operation in this stack. The first line of input contains an integer n. The next n lines each contain an above mentioned query. It is guaranteed that each query is valid. Okay. So going to it, we have to the first line of input contain an integer n. It means we have to enter n value which stores the number of operation. So, and the next n lines contain our mentioned queries. The next line, suppose we enter one, then we have to, one means what? We have to take the action on the stack push. If we enter two, then it means we have called the second operation which is pop the stack elements. And third will print the maximum element here, print the max element, print the max element. As here you can see input is 10. It is in a size of a stack from where we going to take 10 operations in it. Here first we will take one. One means we calling the pop. So that's why we're inserting 97. Second pop. Second operation is pop. Delete the element present at the top of the stack. So it will delete the element. Let's take it practically guys. Suppose guys you have a stack here. You have in a stack. You have in a stack where it is -1 top is equal to -1. Guys, here when we enter 1, it means we have to push the element 97 in the stack. So guys, here we just push the element 97. Then after it pop, then it delete the element from the stack. Then we delete this element. Then again push. Then again we entering to. So now the stack is storing 26 in the stack. Again, we inserting a 20 in the stack. So here we just store 20. After it, when we store 20, then again we calling the second operation, which means it delete the element which is present at the top. So now on the top it is what is present 20. When we delete this element, then again here we just printing the element 3. What is the current top element and what is the maximum element in this tag? There only 26 present. Then we print 26. So guys, you can see here we output comes 26. Then after it, again we inserting pushing the element in the stack which is 91. Then here it is storing 91, 91. And after it, and we have to also print the element which is topmost at the stack. And after it we take 3. After we take 3, so 3 means we have to print the topmost element and the maximum element which is in stack. So now you can see when we compare 91 and 26, what we get. When we compare 91 and 26, so which one is greater? 91 is greater. Then we print 91. Guys, I hope understand how output come. So let's move to the coding part from where can understand the best way with our code. So don't waste, let's guys, by wasting your time, let's move to the coding part. I hope you understand. why we taking input 10 and how this operation are working and how this output is come. I'm explaining it as example. I hope you will understand that example. Let's move to the coding part, guys. Let's open our code section area. Let's zoom for you. Okay, guys, here I'm zooming now. Let's first of all we have to okay, okay. So here first of all we have to take the dynamic stack, dynamic array size, not the array size, stack size. So let's define ms. I'm just taking a variable which is 5 now, and let's declare this stack int stack by globally ms and e for storing the element in the stack, and top is equal to -1. Yes, guys, it is enough. Let's enter into the main. In main, we have to take a variable operation and for number of operations, and k, let's take k is equal to 1 for counting number of operation. Let's take n size and number n for the stack, and let's run it from 2. Not here, we have to use C. Let's take operation if operation is equal to 1, op is equal to 1, we have to call push. Else if is equal to 2, then we have to call pop function for the stack. Else if pop is equal to 3, then we have to print maximum max, then we have to call max. Guys, before we calling this function, we have to declare this function because this is C language. Just declare here void push, void push, void pop, and void max. Here why we taking, because it is had no any return type, that's why we're taking void. And after it we have to increment the k value, k plus plus, k plus plus, while k is not equal to n. Let's, guys, we have been declared. Let's move to the definition part of this. For pop void push, let's declare it push pop plus plus, and we have okay, we have to sign the that value which we want to which we want to store in this stack. So let's take it key, because we here you can see here we're just declaring key as a global variable key. So that's why we using this variable and we are storing in the stack. Here stack top is equal to, initially top is -1, that's why we have to increment that top by 1, it will become 0. So top is 0 now, and we are storing this key in it. Guys, this is complete now. After it we have to give the definition to pop function. For pop top minus for top we have to take one condition also. If top is not equal to -1, if it's not equal to -1, then we can delete elements in the stack. Otherwise, it's showing us error because there is no. If its top is equal to minus or it means that there is no element in the stack. And after it, we have to give the definition for max. For max, let's declare one variable max and I also. Now max is storing the stack of zero value and 4. Let's run a loop for I is equal to 0. I is less than equal to top I plus plus, and if stack of I is greater than max, then we store that value in the max. Here, stack I, at the last we have to print that value. So max. Yes, guys, we have write this code. Let's run it, guys. Checking it our code is right or wrong. Int stack top minus y. Okay, guys, here I'm not using the array braces. That's why it's showing me. Let's again run it. Int stack. Why is showing me error? Int stack. Oh, why is showing me error? Expected initializer before. Okay, guys, here we not. And what's again come? C plus plus four bits comparison between pointer and integer. We have missed some pop is equal to 1 2 3. Else if push. Okay, guys, here using pop. It is variable, op variable. Let's again run it. While k is not equal to and not n. Yes, guys, it's true. Okay, here we are not using the terminating sign. Int stack, it stores 0. Yes, guys, finally we have run our code. Let's zoom it and let's see the values. Let's I am entering 10. Okay, now calling the push function 1. I'm storing 97 in the stack. Between 26. Now if we want to print by 3, then it will print 26. Yes, guys, our code is running well. And again it is storing 91 in the stack. And after we want to print that maximum element is stack, what we have to get 91. That is true. The 0. I hope guys will understand our code. Here all the outputs and the input are same, you can see. And here also you can see 2691, and here you can also see our outputs is